Hi guys! Welcome back mga ka-Joy. And so, meron tayong i-unbox for today. Hi guys! Welcome to Joy of the World! So, this is my first time to unbox a phone. And kasi, nag-recontract na tayo sa ating Globe na phone. And then, eto, I have my downgraded na plan. Downgrade. 799 na lang yung kinuha ko kasi medyo sayang. Di naman siya masyadong nagagamit for the meantime. Pero in the longest time naman, di naman siya masyadong nagagamit yung data ko. Di naman nauubos yung 3 nasa bahay. Kahit last year, di naman nauubos. So, I had it na downgraded and I got this phone. So, it's a Samsung Galaxy A10s. So, we'll see what's inside or what is a Samsung or how it looks like. And then, what are the features of this phone. So, we'll see. Laters. Bye! Yay! Unboxing na! There you go. So, here's the guide. A quick start. Warranty card. Start guide. Everything is here. So here's the new phone. Wow. So it's still packed. Here's the phone. So here's the charger with... Oh, this is a bit fast charging. No, that's 1.55. It's okay. And cord adapter. Yes. And then anything else? Ooh. I do not have a headphone on it. Really? So here's a pin for the phone. For this pack, wala siyang headphone. Yes, walang headphone. Peel it off. Should I peel it off? Hindi. Ito na siya. Ayan, peel it off na lang. Here's a new phone. This is smaller compared to one that I'm using now, but same clean appearance, and it's black. Okay. Gonna be needing the pin for us to to get the area for the SIM. SIM? Yep, for the SIM. Okay, this one. Here's the power button. You see the guide. And here's the guide. So here's the front camera, then side is the power key here. Yeah, I got it right. So the back, so camera, tool, the light, then finger point. So let's try to put in the SIM card. Where is it? Here's my SIM. Can insert it here. So this is dual, and then you can have an extra memory card on it. Just enter it. There you go. So this is the purpose of this pin. It's just that wala siyang earphones. Meron naman tayo magagamit, so never mind. So welcome to Samsung Galaxy A10s. So this is an Android phone. I just hope to win more. We'll see. So it's just functioning. So hello Samsung. Back to Samsung after using Huawei for 2 years. So this is my plan now, $799. Starting Android. This is postpaid. So yeah, English. Read everything. There you go. Pressing next. Oh, there. Bring your old data for quicker setup. Skip this one. So we have our Wi-Fi. Sorry, we have PLDT. Okay. I'll just set it up. So it's going to update, so it will take a few minutes. So there's support for the earphones here. Wala lang siyang free earphone. I'm just using the available earphones still with Samsung. So this is the power button. This is for the volume. So positive to negative. This one, the SIM and micro SD. So here's part of the microphone and charger port. So the camera, checking for info, recorded. So I'm gonna skip it for a minute. Blah, 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 blah. Skip it for now. Just wanted to see the interface. Not now. I just have it later. Nothing. So here's it. Setting up. Skip. I don't have it. Skip. Oh no, finish. Ta-da. Oh, that's kind of alright guys, I'm done. But no mobile data yet. I'm just gonna use my Wi-Fi. So it's done. Here's the interface. Here are the applications. It has the Facebook and some Google applications. YouTube is here. Gmail, Chrome, Samsung. The usual applications. So I'm just gonna download things that I needed to download later. I gotta put it's a bit fast. Yeah. But it only has 2 RAM. 2 GB. So by the time that I'm gonna have the applications, it will surely drop its performance. I hope not. So camera on point. Cancel. Easy. Oh, pretty nice. It's clear. Front. Ooh, it's also clear. Oh, there's a live focus. The photo, video. Oh, there's a message. Anyways, that's it. That's what is important. For the settings, settings. So it's Android version 9. Report 1. Let's just load. Alright guys, so we have now our new phone. It's Samsung A10S, and here is it. So it's a bit smaller compared to the one that I have in Huawei. And wala siyang earphones, so gonna use the available earphones na meron naman ako. And gonna have a phone protector para di siya magasgas. Yun. So 2 years. $799.